especially savvy for whatever you do going forward.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Taking this class and having the opportunity really opened my mind into like this experience, and obviously we're all having a lot of fun.
1 in 4 high school students in the U.S. will have a lot of fun too. They're going to take a semester-long personal finance class before they graduate this year. And in 25 states, it is a requirement. But many cities and school districts have their own.
So right now I'm just blocking traffic for this tow truck, and he's in a bad spot. You can't really see his lights from behind him because of the height of his load, and he's in a corner, and so coming up to him, you know, you can barely see him at all. So I'm sitting here a little further back in this curve so that people can see us and hopefully stay out of this lane, even though some people don't get the message, like this guy. But doing my best here.